Horns up guys, how you doing? I was in two minds about making this video because I thought to myself maybe it's not appropriate to ask you guys for help, and then I thought to myself, well, if I don't ask I won't get, and you know what, at the end of the day I don't think you guys are going to be forced to do anything you don't want to do. So if you want to help me you will, if you don't want to help me you won't, you'll just go on to the next video. So anyway, what do I need your help with? Stick around to find out. Alright guys, so before I ask for your help, for everybody who lives in Mumbai city, I am doing my first Keto Masterclass on the 23rd of this month at Food Hall in Mumbai. Yup, I'm super excited about this. I actually did my first live cooking show about 5 years ago at Food Hall in Palladium, and I'm returning there now 5 years later, but this time I'm doing a Keto Masterclass. So I'm going to talk about keto, I'm going to answer your questions, I'm going to cook up some keto food, and the best part of it, you guys are going to get to taste that food. Yup. You've been watching me cook all the food on screen, but now come to the event and taste the food firsthand. So yeah, I hope I see you guys at the event on Friday the 23rd. I'll leave the details in the video description box, and if you have any friends in Mumbai, do let them know about the event, and I look forward to seeing all of you at the show. Alright, so on to the help I require from you guys. Now many of you know I'm also a musician. I have a music channel where I upload my videos and all that jazz. Now YouTube has changed their monetization policy, and unfortunately unless you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, your channel is not eligible for monetization. Now while Headbanger's Kitchen is doing just great, my music channel, because it's very new, does not have 4,000 hours of watch time. I did manage to get 1,000 subscribers, but I don't have the watch time needed to monetize the channel, and this is where I need your help. It's very simple. I'm going to link a playlist in the video description box below this video and also at the end of this video. All I want you to do is click that link and let that entire playlist play. Now you don't need to actually be there and watching it. Just put it on mute if you don't like heavy metal or death metal, because I know many of you don't enjoy the music I make, but just mute it and just let that entire playlist play, and that's it. That's all I need. If enough of you do that, I should easily get my watch time goals in the next couple of days, and then I'll be able to monetize my music channel, and of course I'll be extremely grateful to you for all your help and support. So yeah, thank you in advance for all your help, and yeah, go ahead, click on that playlist, let it play. Of course, if you like heavy metal and death metal, please by all means listen to what I've got. If not, mute it and just let it play. Also, since we're talking about my music, for all of you living in the United Kingdom, I'm coming to the UK this May with my band Demonic Resurrection. We've currently confirmed 2 festivals, one in London and one in Cardiff. We're booking more dates as we speak, and I will do a separate announcement video once I have all my UK dates in place, and I would love to see many of you guys at the shows, and I'd be love to meet you guys. Just say hello, put faces to the people who comment and watch my videos. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's happening with the tour soon enough. And finally guys, I've got a bit of a schedule in place. On Headbanger's Kitchen, every Monday and Wednesday I am putting out brand new keto recipes, and on Friday I do my Keto 101 or a vlog style video just to mix things up a little bit. So if you've missed some of the episodes, check it out. I've been doing, I'm going crazy just doing so many videos, but it's a lot of fun, and thank you all for watching and supporting the show. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, cheers and keep ketoing. Hey guys, so here's the playlist I was talking about. You can just click on it and just let it play, and yeah, that'll do the job of helping me. And if you don't want to do that and you just want some more Headbanger's Kitchen recipes, just click here and watch our latest recipe video. Thank you once again for all your support everybody. Cheers and keep cooking.